थोड़ी सी जगह बची है। There is little space left. शायद उसकी पहचान नहीं हुई। Perhaps he was not recognized. Perhaps he was not recognized. आप मुझे भी साथ ले चलो। You take me along too. You take me along too. आप कितने बजे वहाँ जाओगे? What time will you go there? What time will you go there? हमें बहाना बनाना पड़ेगा। We will have to make excuses. We will have to make excuses. मुझे समय नहीं मिला। I have not got time. मुझे समय नहीं मिला। I have not got time. दुकानदार के साथ बहस मत करो। Don't argue with the shopkeeper. Don't argue with the shopkeeper. आज सुबह वे चले गए। He left this morning. आज सुबह वे चले गए। He left this morning. मेरे आने के बाद वो गया। He left after I arrived. He left after I arrived. चलो अब बहाने मत बनाओ। Let's not make excuses now. Let's not make excuses now. मेरे बारे में किसने पूछा? Who asked about me? मेरे बारे में किसने पूछा? Who asked about me? तुम अकेले क्यों खड़े थे? Why were you standing alone? तुम अकेले क्यों खड़े थे? Why were you standing alone? कुछ दिनों के लिए उसे मेरे पास भेज दो। Send him to me for few days. Send him to me for few days. मैंने उसे मनाने की कोशिश की थी। I had tried to persuade him. I had tried to persuade him. आप उससे इस बारे में पूछ लो। You ask him about this. You ask him about this. मैंने अपना सारा सामान पैक कर लिया है। I have packed all my stuff. I have packed all my stuff. आपने मुझे माफ़ क्यों नहीं किया? Why didn't you forgive me? Why didn't you forgive me? हमारे व्यवहार की उसने बहुत तारीफ़ की। He praised our behavior a lot. He praised our behavior a lot. मुझे कोई जानकारी नहीं है। I don't know anything. मुझे कोई जानकारी नहीं है। I don't know anything. हम जानकर हैरान हो गए। We were surprised to know. हम जानकर हैरान हो गए। We were surprised to know. अब थोड़ी देर आराम करो। Now rest for a while. Now rest for a while. उसके साथ कोई नहीं जाएगा। No one will go with him. उसके साथ कोई नहीं जाएगा। No one will go with him. आपके पास कितना पैसा था? How much money did you have? How much money did you have? वह कहाँ रहता है मुझे मालूम नहीं। I don't know where he lives. I don't know where he lives. मुझे आपसे यही उम्मीद थी। This is what I expected from you. This is what I expected from you. हम जानकर भी अनजान हैं। We are unaware even after knowing. We are unaware even after knowing. आपकी बहन भी आपकी तरह ही स्मार्ट है। Your sister is as smart as you. Your sister is as smart as you. उन्हें एक मौका और मिलना चाहिए। He should get one more chance. He should get one more chance. आजकल माहौल खराब है। The atmosphere is bad these days. The atmosphere is bad these days. आप नाश्ते में क्या लेना चाहेंगे? What would you like to have for breakfast? What would you like to have for breakfast? उसके यहाँ आने से क्या फ़ायदा था? What was the benefit of his coming here? What was the benefit of his coming here? हम उसे खोज रहे हैं. We are searching for him. हम उसे खोज रहे हैं. We are searching for him. तुम्हें किसी से झूठ नहीं बोलना चाहिए. You should not lie to anyone. You should not lie to anyone. हमें उसके लिए कुछ लेना है. We have to get something for him. We have to get something for him. हमें खुद पर भरोसा जरूर होना चाहिए. We must believe in ourselves. We must believe in ourselves. उसकी आदतें ठीक नहीं हैं. His habits are not good. उसकी आदतें ठीक नहीं हैं. His habits are not good. पहले आप तैयार हो लो. First you get ready. पहले आप तैयार हो लो. First you get ready. मैं बेईमानी नहीं करूँगा. I will not be dishonest. मैं बेईमानी नहीं करूँगा. I will not be dishonest. जो वो कहें उस पर पूरा ध्यान देना. Pay close attention to what she says. Pay close attention to what she says. उन्होंने भरपेट खाना खाया. They ate to their fill. उन्होंने भरपेट खाना खाया. They ate to their fill. मुझे बद्दुआ मत दो. Don't curse me. मुझे बद्दुआ मत दो. Don't curse me. जहाँ निराशा वहाँ आशा. Every cloud has a silver lining. Every cloud has a silver lining. मैं उसे शक्ल से जानता हूँ, नाम से नहीं. I know him by face and not by name. I know him by face and not by name. तुम्हारे लिए यह मुश्किल नहीं होगा. It won't be difficult for you. It won't be difficult for you. उसका चिल्लाते चिल्लाते गला बैठ गया. He cried himself hoarse. He cried himself hoarse. ये तो होता रहता है. It's a common occurrence. It's a common occurrence. स्वास्थ्य ही धन है. Health is wealth. स्वास्थ्य ही धन है. Health is wealth. वह अक्सर बेवकूफ़ी कर बैठता है. He often plays the fool. He often plays the fool. जीवन फूलों की सेज नहीं है. Life is not a bed of roses. Life is not a bed of roses. बस अपनी पढ़ाई पर ध्यान दो. Just concentrate on your studies. Just concentrate on your studies. मैं दुविधा में हूँ कि क्या करूँ. I am in a fix what to do. I am in a fix what to do. आजकल मेरी जेब खाली है. I am empty pocket these days. I am empty pocket these days. उसने मुझे लड़ने के लिए ललकारा. He dared me to fight with him. He dared me to fight with him. यह तो केवल फिजूल का बहाना दिखाई देता है. This seems to be only a lame excuse. This seems to be only a lame excuse. उसकी सारी आशाएं मिट्टी में मिल गईं. All his hopes are doomed. All his hopes are doomed. उसने अपने जीवन में बहुत उतार चढ़ाव देखे हैं. He has seen many ups and downs in his life. He has seen many ups and downs in his life. सुबह का भूला शाम को वापस आ जाए तो उसे भूला नहीं कहते. It is never too late to mend. It is never too late to mend. सही समय पर प्रयास करो. Strike the iron when it is hot. Strike the iron when it is hot. बच्चों का टिकट आधा लगता है। चिल्ड्रन ट्रैवल हाफ फेयर। चिल्ड्रन ट्रैवल हाफ फेयर। वह हर बात में मनमानी करता है। He has his own way in everything. He has his own way in everything. प्रतिदिन हालात खराब हो रहे हैं। Things are going wrong day by day. Things are going wrong day by day. वह नौकरी के लिए मारा मारा फिरता रहा। He knocked about for a job. He knocked about for a job. उसकी हिम्मत नहीं कि मेरे सामने बोले। He dared not speak before me. He dared not speak before me. वहाँ जाने से कोई फ़ायदा नहीं है। It is not worthwhile going there. It is not worthwhile going there. मैं जो भी खर्च करती हूँ उसका हिसाब रखती हूँ। I keep a record of everything I spend. I keep a record of everything I spend. तुमने मुझे 100 रुपये कम दिया है। You have given me 100 rupees short. You have given me 100 rupees short. मैं तुम्हें हफ्ते भर से ढूंढ रहा हूँ। I have been looking for you all week. I have been looking for you all week. क्या तुम यह उसके मुंह पर बोल सकते हो? Can you say it to his face? Can you say it to his face? वह आजकल काम पर देरी से आ रहा है। He has been coming to work late recently. He has been coming to work late recently. बातें बनाना करके दिखाने से आसान है। Talking is easier than doing. Talking is easier than doing. यह किताबी कीड़ा है। He is a bookworm. यह किताबी कीड़ा है। He is a bookworm. मुझे भी उसके लिए उतना ही बुरा लग रहा है। I am equally feeling bad for him. I am equally feeling bad for him. अब सुधार की कोई जगह नहीं है। Now there is no scope for improvement. Now there is no scope for improvement. तुम वैसे कुछ नहीं करोगे। You won't do anything of the kind. तुम वैसा कुछ नहीं करोगे। You won't do anything of the kind. तो क्या बात कर रहे थे हम? So what were we talking about? तो क्या बात कर रहे थे हम? So what were we talking about? जितना ज़्यादा उतना अच्छा। The more the better. जितना ज़्यादा उतना अच्छा। The more the better. तुम बहुत मजाकिया आदमी हो। You are an amusing person. You are an amusing person. मुझे आपकी बात अच्छी लगी। I found your point interesting. I found your point interesting. आप तो बिना वजह मुझसे नाराज़ हो रहे हैं। You are getting cross with me for nothing. You are getting cross with me for nothing. कोई नहीं बचेगा। No one will be spared. कोई नहीं बचेगा। No one will be spared. ये मत सोचना कि तुम में कोई कमी है। Don't think you are less. Don't think you are less. क्या कुछ ज़्यादा नहीं हो गया? Wasn't that too much? क्या कुछ ज़्यादा नहीं हो गया? Wasn't that too much? ये कपड़ा घटिया क्वालिटी का है। The quality of this cloth is inferior. The quality of this cloth is inferior. वहाँ कितनी जगह है? How much space is there? वहाँ कितनी जगह है? How much space is there? मुझे टेबल के नीचे 1000 रुपये का नोट मिला है। I have found 1,000 rupees note under the table. I have found 1,000 rupees note under the table. मैंने उसकी अनुमति ली है। I have taken his permission. मैंने उसकी अनुमति ली है। I have taken his permission. बहुत हो गया, अब मैं उसे नहीं मनाऊंगी। It's enough. Now I will not convince her. It's enough. Now I will not convince her. मेरे जूते घिस चुके हैं. My shoes have been worn out. My shoes have been worn out. तुम क्यों उसके पीछे पड़े हुए हो? Why are you after her? Why are you after her? तुम ही जा सकते हो. It's only you who can go. It's only you who can go. आज तक तुमने किया ही क्या है मेरे लिए? What have you done for me till now? What have you done for me till now? मैं ही उसे समझा सकती हूँ. It's only me who can explain him. It's only me who can explain him. मुझे लगा आज सोमवार है. I thought it was Monday today. I thought it was Monday today. मान लो तुम मेरी जगह हो. Suppose you are in my place. Suppose you are in my place. बहुत हो गया, अब चलो यहाँ से. It's enough. Now let's go out of here. It's enough. Now let's go out of here. मैं बेसब्री से अपने रिज़ल्ट का इंतज़ार कर रहा हूँ. I am looking forward to my result. I am looking forward to my result. अब वो मेरे पीछे पड़ जाएगा. Now he will be after me. Now he will be after me. मान लो यह तुम्हारा घर है. Suppose this is your house. Suppose this is your house. मैंने आज तक तुमसे कुछ नहीं मांगा. I haven't asked for anything from you till now. I haven't asked for anything from you till now. मैं बेसब्री से इस दिन का इंतज़ार कर रहा था. I was looking forward to this day. मैं बेसब्री से इस दिन का इंतज़ार कर रहा था. I am looking forward to this day. मैंने आज तक लाल किला नहीं देखा. I haven't seen the Red Fort till now. I haven't seen the Red Fort till now. देखते ही देखते वह गायब हो गया. He disappeared in no time. He disappeared in no time. कोई कुछ भी कहे, मुझे कोई परवाह नहीं. Say what anyone will, I don't care. Say what anyone will, I don't care. मैं सीखना चाहूँगा. I would like to learn. मैं सीखना चाहूँगा. I would like to learn. कोई कुछ भी कहे, तुम अपना काम करो. Say what anyone will, you do your work. Say what anyone will, you do your work. कोई कुछ भी कहे, मुझे कोई परवाह नहीं. Say what anyone will, I don't care. Say what anyone will, I don't care. मैं वादा नहीं कर सकता. I can't commit. मैं वादा नहीं कर सकता. I can't commit. कोई सा भी चलेगा. Either will do. कोई सा भी चलेगा. Either will do. यदि मैं तुम्हारी जगह होता, मैं वह कभी नहीं करता. If I were at your place, I would never do that. If I were at your place, I would never do that. तुमने शर्ट उल्टी पहनी हुई है. You are putting on your shirt inside out. You are putting on your shirt inside out. पालथी मारकर बैठो. Sit cross-legged. पालथी मारकर बैठो. Sit cross-legged. वह उस समय कानपुर के आस-पास था. He was hereabouts कानपुर that time. He was hereabouts कानपुर that time. वह अपनी आदतों से मजबूर था। He was slave of his habits. He was slave of his habits. तुम्हारी औकात क्या है? What is your worth? तुम्हारी औकात क्या है? What is your worth? मैंने उसका साथ दिया। I stood by her. मैंने उसका साथ दिया। I stood by her. उसकी आंखें कमज़ोर है। He has a poor vision. उसकी आंखें कमज़ोर है। He has a poor vision. वह मुझे ताने मारता है। He taunts me. वह मुझे ताने मारता है। He taunts me. उत्तर मेरी जुबान पर था। The answer was on the tip of my tongue. The answer was on the tip of my tongue. इससे भी आपका काम नहीं चलेगा। It will not serve your purpose as well. It will not serve your purpose as well. यह तो रोज़ की बात है। It is everyday occurrence. It is everyday occurrence. वह अंग्रेज़ी बोलने के लिए हर चीज़ कर रही थी। She was moving heaven and earth to speak English. She was moving heaven and earth to speak English. हमारे बीच में अनबन थी। There was a rift between us. There was a rift between us. ये तो खुशी के आंसू हैं। These are tears of joy. These are tears of joy. ये तो मानी हुई बात है। It goes without saying. ये तो मानी हुई बात है। It goes without saying. अपने आप को परेशान क्यों करते हो? Why you bother yourself? Why you bother yourself? तुम इतनी सहमी सहमी सी क्यों हो? Why are you apprehensive? Why are you apprehensive? इस बात को अपने मन से निकाल दो। Remove this thing out of your mind. इस बात को अपने मन से निकाल दो। Remove this thing out of your mind. उस पर चोरी करने का आरोप था। He was accused of theft. He was accused of theft. किराने का सामान ख़त्म होने वाला है। Groceries are about to finish. Groceries are about to finish. मैंने उसे बहुत फटकारा। I had rebuked her. मैंने उसे बहुत फटकारा। I had rebuked her. मैंने यह बात नहीं कही। I didn't make this remark. I didn't make this remark. मुझे धमकाओ नहीं। Don't intimidate me. मुझे धमकाओ नहीं। Don't intimidate me. आपने मेरे लिए इसे आसान बना दिया है। You have made it easier for me. You have made it easier for me. गिफ्ट खोलकर वह हैरान हो गया। He got surprised after opening the gift. गिफ्ट खोलकर वह हैरान हो गया। He got surprised after opening the gift. इसे दोबारा मत बोलना। Don't utter it again. इसे दोबारा मत बोलना। Don't utter it again. गुस्सा अक्ल को खा जाता है। Anger devours wisdom. Anger devours wisdom. तुम्हारे बदबूदार मोजे धोने के लिए डालो। Put your rummy socks to wash. Put your rummy socks to wash. मुझे यह बात बेतुकी लगी। I found this thing absurd. I found this thing absurd. क्या तुमने ड्राइवर को कॉल करके पूछा नहीं था? Had you not called and asked the driver? क्या तुमने ड्राइवर को कॉल करके पूछा नहीं था? Had you not called and asked the driver? क्या तुम इसका परिणाम जानते हो? Do you know its consequences? Do you know its consequences? मैं घुमा फिरा कर बात नहीं करता. I am a straightforward person. I am a straightforward person. हवा और तेज़ चल रही है. It's getting even windier. हवा और तेज़ चल रही है. It's getting even windier. इसके लिए बहुत पैसों की आवश्यकता थी. Lots of money was needed for it. Lots of money was needed for it. मेरी लाचारी कोई नहीं समझता. Nobody realizes my helplessness. Nobody realizes my helplessness. सारे शहर में कर्फ्यू लगा दिया गया है. Curfew has been clamped in the entire city. Curfew has been clamped in the entire city. लफ्ज़ों में बयान करना मुश्किल है. It's hard to put into words. It's hard to put into words. क्या ऐसा कभी होगा? Will it ever happen so? क्या ऐसा कभी होगा? Will it ever happen so? मुझे उसका चेहरा याद नहीं. I don't remember his face. मुझे उसका चेहरा याद नहीं. I don't remember his face. जब तक तुम यहाँ हो मैं खुश हूँ. Till you are here, I am happy. Till you are here, I am happy. इसी बहाने हम चाय भी पी लेंगे. On this pretext, we will have tea as well. On this pretext, we will have tea as well. इसी बहाने मैं तुमसे मिल भी लूँगा. On this pretext, I will meet you as well. On this pretext, I will meet you as well. बात को क्यों बढ़ा रहे हो? Why are you elongating the matter? Why are you elongating the matter? मैं बात को बढ़ाना नहीं चाहता. I don't want to elongate the matter. I don't want to elongate the matter. चूँकि हमारे पास पैसे नहीं हैं, अभी हम यह नहीं खरीद सकते हैं. As we don't have money, we can't buy it right away. As we don't have money, we can't buy it right away. उसका प्रदर्शन उम्मीद के मुताबिक नहीं है. His performance is not up to the mark. His performance is not up to the mark. क्या आप अपने स्कूल शिक्षक के संपर्क में हैं? Are you in touch with your school teacher? Are you in touch with your school teacher? क्या आपने अपनी परीक्षाओं की तैयारी की है? Have you prepared for your exams? Have you prepared for your exams? वह मुझे भाई के नाते हमेशा सलाह देता है. He always gives me advice as a brother. He always gives me advice as a brother. क्या आप इस साल अपनी परीक्षा दे रहे हैं? Are you appearing for your exam this year? Are you appearing for your exam this year? यह नोट फटा हुआ है. This note is torn. This note is torn. तुम आस-पास ही रहना, मुझे तुम्हारी ज़रूरत पड़ सकती है. You stick around, I may need you. You stick around, I may need you. वह कोई ऐरा गैरा नहीं है. He is not Dick and Harry. He is not Dick and Harry. वह मुझे पथभ्रष्ट करता है. He misleads me. He misleads me. एक आदमी सड़क के पार खड़ा था. There was a person standing across the road. There was a person standing across the road. तुम जो भी कहते हो वह हमेशा भरोसा कर लेता है. Whatever you say, He always believes. Whatever you say, he always believes. आप लोग उसकी मदद क्यों नहीं कर रहे हो? Why are you not helping him? Why are you not helping him? वह एक नंबर की चुगलखोर है. She is a backbiter of first order. She is a backbiter of first order.